Hi everyone, this is Ismail from CompuTec. In this video, we will learn how we can install AppEngine, also how we can check the prerequisites for this installation. First of all, the documentation page is learn.computec.one, and after you launch this documentation, you will be able to see the products. Today, we will install CompuTec AppEngine, and CompuTec AppEngine is a web application where you can install and use out-of-the-box functionalities, and also you can build your own plugin and application by using AppEngine framework. So let's go to CompuTec AppEngine documentation, and here we'll go to administration guide and system requirements. CompuTec AppEngine server installation requires these minimum requirements, and for the user who will launch CompuTec AppEngine Launchpad or administration panel, you should follow these requirements. Very important prerequisite here is a runtime installation. CompuTec AppEngine currently requires previously called as .NET Core, but currently .NET 8 runtime from Microsoft. And when you start installation of CompuTec AppEngine, it will already force you to install this version, and it will guide you. You can download .NET 8 installers from the website, and also you can install them manually. So what you need to make sure is that you need to check if you have already .NET runtime, minimum this version, and ASP.NET runtime with this version. So to check that, you need to run command prompt, and here we share with you the command to check this. And once you run this command, you will see the already installed runtimes in your machine, and here the required runtimes are this ASP.NET Core with minimum this version here. And also .NET Core app. And just to show you where you can download this installer, you can go to Microsoft website, and here you have ASP.NET Core and .NET Runtime. So you can download them through here. So in addition to this, you can check other requirements. Now we will go to download the application, and for this you can go to releases, AppEngine, and download. In the download page, you will see two different type of releases. One is official release, and the other one is release candidate. Each official release has already been a release candidate, so we first make a release candidate for you to test your system, and after that we release the official version so that you can install it in production environment. So release candidate is very good opportunity to check if fix or improvement has been successfully applied, as also release candidate is quite often released when we compare with official releases. So we are going to download this official version, the recent one. Alright, here we have it downloaded, and we will run installer. Yeah, it's quite simple installation, and you will just click on install and you will wait installation to be completed. This installation has to be done only in the server. So after we install this, system will create a Windows service called AppEngine, and this Windows service will be running in the server side, and admins or the users will be able to launch AppEngine configuration panel or launchpad through the browser. Okay, after installation is done, so here we can see that it's finished. System will direct you to the 54001 port, which is the default port, and you can just proceed to this port. And if it is your first installation, you will need to fill up this database server details. We can continue with the step 2. And here we will create a database. This is the CompuTec AppEngine database, which will be created in your database server. And after that, we need to restart AppEngine. But before that, if you would like to set some admin password, you can use this window, or you can set this password later. So we will restart. Alright, after restart is completed, system will direct you to the main page, and you can also access by the localhost 54001. And here we are ready to go to administration panel to make initial configurations, and after that we can use the launchpad to use any plugin application through AppEngine. Alright, in this video we learned how we can check the prerequisite and make the first installation for CompuTec AppEngine. Thank you for listening.